Generative AI is growing rapidly, and companies everywhere are actively looking for people who truly understand it. People who understand Gen AI is everywhere are getting better roles and faster growth. However, many still struggle to explain it clearly. The real issue is not complexity, but confusion between similar concepts. In fact, most people confuse between AI, ML, and deep learning. This confusion often leads to weak interview answers. In this video, we break everything down step by step. By the end, you will understand clearly what generative AI really is. You will also be able to explain it confidently. Hello, everyone. Welcome to your own learning space. This is your channel where we simplify tech in the easiest way, especially for interviews and real-world clarity. Before jumping into generative AI, we need a strong base. So first, we build basics, first step by step. This ensures everything becomes easier to understand. The journey begins with artificial intelligence. Then we move to machine learning next in simple terms. Finally, we touch on deep learning. You might wonder why we are stepping back first. The answer is simple. Foundation builds clarity always. Without that, concepts feel confusing. Once the basics are clear, everything becomes easier. Then, we will come back stronger to generative AI, with deeper and clearer understanding. Now let's quickly understand generative AI at a high level. First, what is generative AI as a concept? Then we simplify it step by step. The name itself gives a strong hint. It is a combination of generative plus AI together. Both parts play an important role. Generative means creating something new, and AI refers to smart machine decisions like humans. Together, they form a powerful idea. So generative AI means using AI to create things. In simple terms, AI creates content for you, instead of just analyzing data. Remember, AI itself is not new. In fact, AI exists for years in many systems. We interact with it daily. Many everyday platforms use AI already. For example, Netflix recommends movies based on your behavior. This happens automatically in the background. Banking systems also rely heavily on AI. Tools like fraud detection AI identify unusual transactions and help prevent risks instantly. These systems fall under traditional AI because they mainly analyze and predict data patterns. They do not create anything new. Now generative AI takes things a step further. It introduces new creation power into AI systems, and that is a major shift. Generation means creating something fresh. Not copying, but creating from scratch, intelligently. Similar to how humans create. Imagine asking a system to write an email. Within seconds, email is generated for you, and it is completely new content. Design tasks can also be automated. For example, a logo design idea can be generated instantly based on simple instructions. Developers benefit greatly from this capability, where code is generated automatically from a simple idea, saving significant time and effort. Content creation becomes easier as well, like generating a YouTube script idea within seconds, without starting from scratch. Now notice the key difference here. This is not searching existing data behavior. It is actual content creation. Nothing is directly copied from a database. Instead, content is generated fresh every time, using learned patterns. Here is a simple definition to remember. Generative AI is AI that creates new content, using intelligence and learned data. This content can take many forms, like text, image, audio, video, code, and more. Across different industries, traditional AI predicts outcomes, but generative AI creates new outputs completely. That is the key difference. Let's quickly recap everything. Generative AI means AI generates content for you, not just analyzes information. This explanation was kept intentionally simple, because simple explanation builds confidence in interviews and improves understanding. Moving ahead, concepts will go deeper. We will explore deeper concepts step by step, without creating confusion. Before that, strong basics are needed. So next, we learn AI, ML, DL properly, in a simple and clear way. These topics are extremely important because they build the foundation of everything, including generative AI. Once that is complete, we will return. And then Gen AI will feel easy to understand, even during interviews. One big question still remains. Why Gen AI is everywhere today suddenly, across industries and discussions. Let's move to the next video, where we begin with artificial intelligence basics. I will see you there.